Tineco Floor 1S5 Pro 2 Cordless Wet Dry Vacuum Smart Hardwood Floor Cleaner Machine. One-step cleaning mop for sticky messes and pet hair. LCD display. App. Voice guide with Ultra mode. Clean wet or dry messes and tackle tough and sticky messes on hard floors with ease. Featuring Tineco's proprietary iLoop Smart Sensor technology, it automatically adjusts suction power, brush roller speed and water flow to clean your mess accordingly. Never touch a dirty roller again. The hands-free, self-cleaning function automatically flushes the inner tubing and brush roller for fast, mess-free maintenance. The exclusive Floor 1S5 Pro 2 brush roller is designed to glide closely against baseboards and clean hard-to-reach corners. Your floors become completely dry and streak-free in minutes. Details product by link in description. Get best price and discount for this product. You can click link in description. See you.